Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay students, I am your general science teacher Miss Iram Hassan, and today our topic is characteristics of living things. Unit 2, characteristics of living things. Students, in previous class we have discussed in characteristics of living things in this unit basic needs of living things. Clear? Previously we have discussed basic needs of living things, but today our topic is characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living things. Okay students, all living things need food. All living things need food. All living things need food because food gave them energy. Clear? All living things need food because food gave them energy, and food also gives us energy to work, play and grow. Clear? Food also gives us energy to work, play and grow. And you know what is energy? You know, energy is the ability to do work. Energy is the ability to do work. Okay students, when we are walking, when we are talking, even when we are jumping, so we use our energy. Clear? And animals get this energy by eating different plants and other animals. Clear? Because animals cannot prepare their own food. Animals obtain their food by eating plants and other animals. So all living things need food. We also need food. Okay, now next one is respire. Respire means take a breath. Okay, both plants and animals take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. When they respire, we also take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Clear? And some animals like humans use their lungs to inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. We also use our lungs to inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Inhale mean take in oxygen, and exhale mean give out carbon dioxide. Clear? Okay, now next one is movement. All living things need to move. All living things need to move. Most animals move from place to place in search of food, water, shelter, and to avoid danger. Clear? Most animals move from place to place in search of food, water, shelter, and to avoid danger. And this movement is called locomotion. What? Locomotion. Another word for movement is locomotion. We use another word for movement, locomotion. Clear? Animals move from place to place in search of food, water, shelter, and to avoid danger. This is called what? This is called locomotion. Locomotion. Animals movement called locomotion. Okay? And plants only show the movement of some of their parts. And you know, animals move from place to place, but plants cannot move from place to place. Plants just show movement of some of their parts. Clear? Plants cannot move like us, like animals. Clear? Said plants prepare their own food. As I have told you, plants prepare their own food, but animals cannot prepare. Plants prepare their own food by using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. This process called photosynthesis. Plants prepare their own food by using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Clear? So they need not go from place to place in search of food. Clear? They need not go from place to place in search of food. Now, next one is reproduce. All living things can reproduce. All living things can reproduce. All living things can respire. All living things can move. And all living things can reproduce. Okay? All living things reproduce mean give birth to young one or produce young one. Clear? Gave birth to young ones. Okay, all living things reproduce. They produce young ones of their own type. Clear? Living things produce young ones of their own type. Look at the animal and look at the elephant and look at the elephant baby. Elephant baby goes to an elephant. Clear? And we resembles to our parents. Okay, so reproduction is the process by which living things produces their young ones. Reproduction is the process by which living things produces their young ones. Okay students, now look at the hen. Look at the hen. Hen gives eggs. Clear? And the chick hatches out of the eggs and then grows, so it is called what? It is called reproduction. First hen lay eggs and the chicks hatch out of the eggs and then grow, so it is also reproduction. Clear? Okay, and most of plants produce seed. Most of plants produce seed. These seeds grows into young plant called seedling. And plants produce seeds. Clear? Animals produce young ones and plants produce seeds. Okay, and all living things can grow. All living things can grow. Okay, all living things grow. We are living things. We also are living things. We are also grow. We also grow. Clear? All living things grow. All animals have babies and grow and resemble their parents. As I have told you, we resemble to our parents, and animals babies goes to animals. Clear? Animal baby goes to animal, and we resemble to our parents. Okay students, so a baby girl grows into young woman and a baby boy grows to become a young man. So, and you are also children, you will also grow and change into young one. Now you are children and you will also grow and change into young one. Clear? So all living things grow and change. Clear? All living things grow and change. Clear? And adult plants produce seeds. As I have told you, plants produce seeds, and then these seeds grow into young plants. Clear? Called seedling. Okay, adult plants produce seeds which grow to make new plants. Okay, and non-living things do not grow. Non-living things can grow, but non-living things cannot grow. Okay. Okay students, now look at this picture. Look at this one picture. A baby grows to a man. So all living things, it's mean all living things grow, and all living things grow and change. Okay, now we depend on each other. How? We depend on each other. All living things need air, water, food, minerals, light and warmth. Clear? All living things need air, water. These are the basic needs. All living things need air, water, food, minerals, light and warmth. Animals and plants depend on each other for life. You know how plants and animals depend on each other? Plants provide food for animals. Plants also provide oxygen. Clear? Plants also provide oxygen that we breathe in. Okay, so plants provide human and other animals with food. They also produce the oxygen that we breathe in. You see, okay, now you see in this picture, these all are the basic needs: food, water, air and sunlight. And humans and other animals take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Clear? We also take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, and animals also take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is needed by the plants to make the food, and carbon dioxide is needed by the plants which make the food. Clear? So we all depend on each other. We depend on each other. All living things depend on each other. Okay students, so this was our today's lecture, and I hope you enjoyed it. We will continue this topic in next lecture inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.